Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from Group 10 and these are our group members. Nurul Anis Ayuni, Marisa Hanis, Nurin Hana, Farina Aliasha, Aini Shahmina, and Anis Zahira. Trading stock is the process of buying and selling the stock at a certain price. The profit obtained could also be used as an income for the next trading. To better understand the concept of trading stock, our lecturer have created an investment game through the Bursa Marketplace website to fulfill the course project STQA3013. This game allows us to do trading and investment based on the current companies in the market, and we are also given play money with an amount of 100,000 ringgit to do the trading. Market overview. Our group analyzed the company based on Bursa Malaysia website for the stock prices trend and did our research by checking up on the news regarding their company. Our choices for the company are mostly based on the sector of healthcare, construction, logistics, and communications. We also took advantage of the current situation where COVID-19 is still the talk of town, including the upcoming variants that is increasing day by day. Lastly, we also keep an eye on the technology sector as it is also one of the rising sector of the healthcare in the open market. Next, our group selects the target market based on geographical location. To gain more profit in investing, we focus on the market that is related to the current issue nowadays. For example, issues that are related to the COVID-19 virus that has hit the whole world, including Malaysia, since 2019. Therefore, we focus on sector health and technology as we all know that these sectors have contributed a lot to overcome the COVID-19 virus. By considering the geographical location, we set the target share. Before buying shares, we target profit that will give at what entry price we take and what price we should cut loss. For example, the entry price for Nadi Berhad is 32 cents, the target take profit is 34 cents, and the cut loss is 31 cents. Investment strategy. The first investment strategy that we use are short-term strategy. This strategy enables the investor to withdraw money quickly and sell the stock once the price appreciates in the open market. To obtain profit, our group sells the stock once the price is higher from our buying price, and we usually hold the stock for around 1 to 2 days for the market price analyzing. Strategy are used for Axiata, Top Glove, Chin Hin, and also IHH. The next strategy that we used are the low-risk strategy. It's about an investment with the less amount of money invested on a stock, or the significance of the investments to the portfolio is smaller. This strategy protects your chance of loss from becoming too devastating and is perfect for beginner traders. We use this strategy for Nadi Berhad by buying 300 units at the price of 32 cents and Shenyang Corporation with 500 units at 39 cents. A high-risk investment is an investment where the degree of risk is high, and there is a high chance that an investor could lose the substantial or all amount invested. Our group uses this strategy one day before the game ends, which is 6 January 2022, to buy SCN Wolf in large quantities, which is 50,000 units at the price of 65 cents. Next, an active investment strategy is a strategy that involves actively buying and selling the shares in the hope of earning more profit. Our group uses this strategy 2 weeks before the game ended. For example, ATAC had a high probability that their share price would continue to rise with the opening price for this share at a price of RM2.28 on 29 December 2021 and continues to rise. Investment decision. Firstly, technical analysis. The company has been trading above its upward sloping 20 days moving average, which is a good sign. We decided to choose STNO for BTSD stock as we predict the price will move forward because the upward flow phase begins when the green candlestick crosses the red candlestick. Next, catalyst. For top glove company, gloves may have a chance to rebound higher. With the spiking COVID-19 cases, we expect the trader may prompt to look at glove companies at least over the near term. Top Glove is the world's largest glove producer. For Axiata Berhad, we believe that traders may focus on 5G related counters following the launch of the country's first 5G network. We chose this company because it is the one leading telecommunication groups in Asia. For IHH company, based on analyst recommendation at Bursa Malaysia, the consensus target price is RM7.38 and the current price is RM6.59. Therefore, we decided to trade because of the strong buy of the stock and we feel that their position is good enough for BTSD. Lastly, fundamental. For Hartalega Holdings Berhad, Hartalega Holdings Berhad has a significantly high return on equity which is 78.01%. We see over the last 5 years the net income growth increased to 56%. We feel that the company has some positive factors to consider because the company has a strong reputation. Investment performance. For the first few weeks, our group were more to a conservative investor. We tend to buy stocks in low quantities and also stocks with lower prices. As you can see from the table, we started buying the stocks only in hundreds of units. Our first loss was from Xinyan Corporation, but we could still cover the loss as we bought the stocks in low quantities, which is 500 units. After about a month, we became more aggressive and started to buy the stocks in larger quantities, which were in tens of thousands. One of our first biggest loss was from Axiata, which was a loss of 1,379 ringgit. Towards the end of the game, we still bought the stocks in large quantities as we were hoping for higher returns. Our last trade was from Kobe, which was also a loss of 450 ringgit. So overall, our total profit throughout the game was 3,971 ringgit and 50 cents. Unfortunately, we didn't manage to be in one of the top 5 rankings. So to conclude, throughout this project, there are a few things that we learned and realized. First, do not hesitate too much to take risks as higher risk may result in higher returns. Secondly, we tried different investment strategies to find our own strategies and improve our portfolio. Lastly, it is critical to do research on the market and the factors that may have an impact on the investments before making our investment decisions. Thank you for your time and attention.